Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a personal loan that you can get up to $10,000, and you won't have to actually have any hard credit checks on your credit to get pre-approved. So we're going to talk about the application process and what you can do to get approved, what documents that they need. So you definitely want to watch this entire video from start to finish, because this is going to be a video that could really help you out if you need a loan right now to help build credit, or if you need a loan for emergency purposes or something like that. You definitely want to watch this video. And also, as a special bonus, I'm going to be giving you some information about how you can get another line of credit to help build your credit, and it's another instant approval line of credit that you can get approved for within minutes. It's going to be with a application that you can download on your phone. So you definitely want to watch this entire video to get all of this information. And also, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos, because I do drop videos frequently throughout the week on personal credit, business credit, and ways to make money online. And also, if you find this video valuable, make sure that you hit that like button. So this particular company is called Opporturn. This company provides affordable and quick personal loans, and you can get approved for a loan even if you have bad credit. So you can get approved for this loan within minutes, and they also do same day funding. I believe if you're applying Monday through Friday, you can get money within a couple of hours. So if you need a loan and have limited credit history, or even have no credit at all, they're here to help. They're going to let you know if you qualify for a personal or secured personal loan within minutes. So you get a pre-qualification without doing a hard credit check. It's not going to affect your FICO score whatsoever. So it's an alternative to payday loans and title loans. You can get a loan from $300, which is the minimum, all the way up to $10,000. And their APRs are capped at 36%, which is kind of high, but the higher the interest rates are, the lower the credit score. So if you have a low credit, then you're going to probably get a very high interest rate, but this can be something that you can use to help build up your credit so that you can get better loans in the future. So again, you can get qualified within a couple of minutes. They're here to help you establish your credit, and you don't have to pay back the loan within weeks like payday loans. You can pay back the loan in monthly payments. Also, let's talk a little bit about the secured loans, because if they are not able to approve you for a unsecured loan, they also have secured personal loans, and that's going to allow you to use your car as collateral, and that is pretty much like a title loan, I believe, and you have to own your car. You can't be making any payments on your car. It can't be financed, so it has to be paid off in order to use your car as collateral, I believe. Okay, so let's talk about what you actually need to have in order to get approved. So you need to have your ID, proof of income, proof of address, and 4 references for your application. So that's for the regular personal loans. For the secured personal loan, you'll need the vehicle title, registration, driver's license, and some pictures of your car. Also, they offer some credit cards as well if you want to check that out. I am leaving a link down in the description below this video. So they do offer credit cards, a Visa card that's going to help you establish credit. So I believe this is only available to a certain amount of people. If you get an offer for this credit card, you also can apply for this as well. Now, as far as applying for the personal loan goes, you're going to need to, let's go back to this main page. You're going to need to put in your zip code and click on Get Started. It's going to take you to this page. You can select what you want to apply for, so the personal loan or the credit card, and they do have auto loans as well. Put in your zip code. I'm not sure why they asked you to do that twice. You can actually do it on that page, or you can click Get Started up here. But it's going to take you to this page either way. So you're going to just click on Go, or you can call them If you want more information, if you have any questions about the personal loan, you can call them for any one of these loans if you have any additional questions. But if you just want to apply, you're going to click on go. Okay, so this is how you're going to check to see if you're pre-qualified. It's going to take you to this page here. You're going to select no for this question, and you're going to be able to go to this page that's going to ask you general information about yourself, your finances, and your income, and then you're going to get pre-qualified. So once you do that, you're going to also create your account, and everything's going to be saved so that you can have access to your pre-qualification, and then you'll be able to apply for their other products if you want to. So that's pretty much it for Oportun. They're pretty much straightforward. Again, you can get up to $10,000. It's no hard credit check on your credit. It's not going to affect your FICO score whatsoever to see what you're going to be able to get qualified for. Now, after that, you will probably have a hard credit check once you accept the loan and go through everything else. Now, as a bonus, I am going to show you another website. Now, this is for iPhone users. This particular app is going to help you build credit, and it's no credit check really. It's based upon your cash flow and based upon the amount of money that you're earning. They're going to be looking at your bank to see how much money is coming in, and they're going to give you a line of credit based upon that. So if you are an Apple user, you're going to be able to sign up for this by going to the App Store and searching for Grain, or you can just go on your computer or on your phone, type in trygrain.com and click on this button to download the app. If you're on Android, you're going to have to join the waiting list because it's not available as of yet. So this is how it works. You're going to sync your current debit card and use Grain as you would use a credit card. Grain is going to analyze your income and instantly offer you a revolving line of credit. So you'll be able to get an answer within minutes of connecting your bank account, and they analyze everything. They're going to be able to give you a line of credit. I believe the highest line of credit is $1,000. So they're basically going to give you a cash advance based upon your income, and you'll just pay back whatever you use the next month or within a month. It's also recommended that you pay it earlier than that because they do have interest. So this is just another alternative to get some funding, to get some extra credit to help you build up your personal credit if you have bad credit. And you'll be able to get 12% APR if you have auto payments set up. So if you connect your bank account and you set up auto pay for them to automatically draft whatever you use from the line of credit out of your account, you're going to get a 12% APR. So definitely try Grain if you would like to get another line of credit instantly within a couple of minutes to help, again, build your credit up. The link is going to be down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Make sure that you hit that all notifications section once you hit that bell so that you can get all of the notifications for all of the videos that I release so that you don't miss out on any information. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.